How to do a miniature effect video on this Panasonic FZ82. The miniature effect is something like this. So the lower part and the top part is blurred and the video is sped up. Okay, let's see how to do this one. First, get out from this preview mode with the button, green button. It's on the video, that one. And here on the display, let's use the second icon thing. Okay, and use the first one. Now it's disabled. Now it's enabled, miniature effect. Once again, disabled and miniature effect is there. Okay, mini is here and it's on the 5th page is this one. You can move up and down. Go to the 5th one, and that's the bleach bypass, and that's the miniature effect. Set to that one. Go here to the second icon and use this one, and you can drag it up or down, and the center, the yellow area will be clear and the top and bottom will be blurred. So you can move it up or down and then capture the video. Set first and then capture the video. And just start a video recording. A recording started, and when you finished, press the red button again. It's created a video, and that's it. Now you can preview that miniature effect video. Of course, this one is not doing anything, but the previous one is this one.